Today, I will introduce a new formula. This is another commonly used harmonizing and releasing Xiaoyang formula. 大柴胡汤. 大柴胡汤 Chinese character is like this. Its name is Major Bupleurum Decoction. This formula is very important and very commonly used in clinical practice. Let's talk about its ingredients of this 大柴胡汤. So here I quoted from the first edition of Bensky's textbook. So this 大柴胡汤 Major Bupleurum Decoction here, 大柴胡汤. And we have Chai Hu, this is 24 gram, and then Huangqin, 9 gram, and then we have Zhishi, 6 to 9 gram, and then we have Da Huang, 6 gram, Bai Xiao, 9 gram, and Banxia, 24 gram, and then Shengjiang, 15 gram, and then we have Da Zhao, 12 pieces. So we have 8 ingredients in this 大柴胡汤 Major Bupleurum Decoction. And we have this Chai Hu in the name of the formula, right? We have Chai Hu for the name. So you may guess this Chai Hu is the chief of the formula. Yes, you are correct. The chief of Major Bupleurum Decoction 大柴胡汤 is Chai Hu. The action of this Major Bupleurum Decoction 大柴胡汤 is harmonizing and releasing Shaoyang. So this is actually the same as Xiao Chai Hu Tang action. So we do have this action for the 大柴胡汤 Major Bupleurum Decoction, but it will be with another part. The other part is it can drain internal clumping due to heat. So action of 大柴胡汤 is the first one, same as 小柴胡汤, harmonizing and releasing Shaoyang. And draining internal clumping due to heat. So this is the action of 大柴胡汤. And then for indication, we have the second part. So we have this internal clumping due to heat. This is actually designed for what? This is actually a formula designed by Zhang Zongji. And this one is for Shaoyang pattern. together with Yangming Fu organ pattern. And the symptom is actually constipation. So this is the indication. Now you can understand why we have this for the action, right? Because it can treat Shaoyang pattern here. But this formula is 大柴胡汤. You know, the ingredients are different from 小柴胡汤. And why is that? Because we have concurrent pattern. Yangming full organ pattern, which is mainly with constipation. So this constipation is actually heat. Think about foot Yangming is stomach, and hand Yangming is large intestine, right? That is actually the heat in Yangming meridian presenting with constipation. And this heat, we need the 大柴胡汤 to treat. So this is action and indication for the 大柴胡汤. And then we will talk about the hierarchy of this 大柴胡汤. Chai Hu is the chief Chai Hu is bitter and neutral. It can enter Shaoyang meridians and it can enter liver, right? So it can harmonize and also release the pathogenic factors in Shaoyang meridians. And also it can soothe liver qi. It can treat some qi stagnation in Shaoyang meridian. So it might be with some distension. So abdominal distension, and especially for costal, hypochondrial fullness or distension. So this is bitter and neutral. This is chief. And then we have Huangqin. This one is deputy. Huangqin is bitter and cold, and it serves in this formula as deputy. So this is the same as 小柴胡汤, right? So bitter cold is for what? For heat, for interior heat. So these two are a very typical combo for what? For Shaoyang pattern. Now think about 小柴胡汤. We do have Chai Hu as chief, Huangqin as deputy. Here's the same. So those two for Shaoyang. Then we have Da Huang. Da Huang and Zhishi. Da Huang together with Zhishi for what? Yangming. Yangming full organ pattern presenting with constipation. Dahuang is cold, right? 这时 can unblock and regulate qi and can treat this tension. So put together Dahuang together with 自时 for Yangming heat, Yangming full organ pattern. And then we have 白芍半夏. Bai Shao is a tonifying blood herb, and Bai Shao, if we combine with Zigan Cao, that will be widely used for abdominal pain. And Ban Xia, this one can descend the rebellious stomach qi, and this one is good for nausea, vomiting. So we have Ban Xia, Bai Shao in Xiao Chai Hu Tang, right? Those for the symptoms like abdominal pain, and for rebellious stomach qi, so that is for nausea, vomiting. So these four as assistant. Lastly, we have Shengjiang Dazao. These two serve as envoy and also assistants. So these two can tonify the center, the middle jiao, and can tonify the center qi, tonifying the spleen and the stomach. So these Shengjiang and Dazao can regulate the spleen and the stomach, can harmonize the spleen and the stomach, and also can harmonize the defensive level and the nutritive level. It can reinforce the qi of the middle jiao, spleen, and the stomach. So Dazao Shengjiang in this formula, they serve as envoy and assistant. So it's very clear for this formula. This is with Shaoyang. We do have Shaoyang related, right? We have Shaoyang. And then we have Yangming. So this formula is actually designed for this Yangming. I think this is more accurate. I mean, only Dahuang and Zhishi. And then we have some other formulas actually from Xiao Cai Hu Tang. So Da Cai Hu Tang is designed for concurrent Shaoyang and Yangming patterns. And for the indications, I will directly give you the quotation. I have the screenshot. I will give you the indications. So the indication is for concurrent Shaoyang and Yangming pattern. But for the symptoms, I mean, the syndrome includes alternating fever and chills, fullness in the chest, and hypochondria, with or without pain, and a bitter taste in the mouth, nausea, continuous vomiting, and hard focal distension or fullness and pain in the epigastrium, burning diarrhea, or no bowel movements. And also with other symptoms like despondency, slight irritability, a yellow tongue coating, very forceful pulse. So pay attention to this. And this is 大柴胡汤 major Bupleurum Decoction. You may notice for the detailed symptoms, we have something, actually there will be some heat related. So yellow coating. Do you remember Xiao Chai Hu Tang tongue coating? Thin white coating, right? This one is yellow. And we do have Yangming related burning. This is heat. So this is related to heat in Yangming meridian, large intestine. So there will be burning. This is heat. And there will be constipation, no bowel movements, and slight irritability is also a sign for heat. And pulse is still forceful, very forceful. So that is Yangming pattern is heat related and excessive. And then those are the same as Xiao Chai Hu Tang, right? Xiao Chai Hu Tang's minor Bupleurum Decoction. So this is a concurrent Shaoyang and Yangming pattern. Thank you for watching.